Ira Glass famously speaks about the gap, which is the awareness that what you're making isn't so good, it has potential, but you're aware of a gap between your work and the artists that you love and look up to. And the only way to catch up and close that gap is to do a lot of work, do a huge volume of work, set deadlines, and prioritize finishing above everything else. And the way I interpret this is that it's only through quantity that you can truly achieve quality. So here are some simple things that you can do to finish more music and improve your workflow in your DAW. Number 1, keep an inspiration bin filled with 3 to 5 recent songs that you love. Every time you're stuck, skim through these tunes. There is an infinite amount of solutions to your problems in your inspiration bin. It's why David Bowie said, "The only art I'll ever study is the art that I can steal from," or why Picasso said, "Art is theft." Besides, there's no such thing as an original idea anymore. Everything comes from something, even quote-unquote original ideas. Number 2, create and maintain a favorites folder. Remember that clap snare combo you spent 24 minutes tweaking and fiddling with on a random Tuesday? Save it, add it to your favorites folder, and reuse it again whenever necessary. The favorites folder should be an ongoing collection of your absolute favorite sounds organized in one place. This is what mine looks like. Number 3, save processing chains and instrument racks. There are plenty of tutorials out there to help you learn how to do this in your DAW, so stop redoing everything. If you process a dope sound, save it for later. Number 4, don't start from zero. Regardless of what the trolling internet producer says, it's not illegal to do any of the following. Start with an arrangement you really like. It's totally cool to replicate the kick bass pattern you heard in a recent track to start your next idea. Start from a structure you really like. There will be plenty of other places and opportunities to make your music original. Start with an existing chord progression from another song. You can't copyright a chord progression. Start with a loop or sample. If something is royalty free, it's royalty free. Anyone who thinks this is cheating, hit pause, read this, and then go do some goat farming. Number 5, your DAW is an instrument. Practice it and learn it like you would a guitar. Make sure to learn the basic stuff really, really well. Stuff like shortcuts and key commands, programming MIDI and using the piano roll, chopping, stretching, tuning, and warping audio, understanding basic signal flow, and make sure you know automation like the back of your hand. Number 6, invest in yourself. Socrates said it best by saying, "I know that I know nothing." So understand your limitations and know when and how to reach out for help. The only thing that stands in your way of winning a Grammy is knowledge. And let's face it, a little bit of luck. Make sure to check out all our free workshops, resources, learning guides, and sample packs. And of course, scope out all our free videos as well.